Hello students. So first of all, if you are not having computer book of grade 10th, then you can go to the description of this video. Here is one link. Click on it to download the computer book. Okay. Now first today we will learn these topics in MS Word. First is what are the different types of alignments. Second is what are the different types of cases. Third is how to insert header and footer, and fourth is how to insert page numbers, and fifth is what are the different types of views in MS Word. Okay, so first topic is what are the different types of alignments in MS Word. Okay, for the alignments you will go to this home tab, and here is different types of alignments. First is left, second is center, and third is right, and fourth is justify. Okay, these are the alignments of MS Word. And second is what are the different types of cases in MS Word. Okay, first case you can see lower case, this will, okay, second is uppercase, okay, and third is capitalize each word. Okay, this will capitalize each word first. Okay, each word. Now next one is टॉगल केस, दिस विल ये क्या करता है कि ऑपोजिट कर देता है जो भी आपकी लिस्ट में लिखा होगा उसके ऑपोजिट। हर एक, अगर कोई कैपिटल वर्ड है तो उसको कैपिटल स्मॉल कर देगा, अगर कोई स्मॉल है तो उसको कैपिटल। ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन इज सेंटेंस केस। व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन इट यू कैन सी ये क्या करेगा कि आपकी जो लाइन में जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है, फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर सिर्फ उसी को ही कैपिटल करेगा, ठीक है, बाकी सारे स्मॉल रखेगा। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ टू इंसर्ट header and footer in MS Word. Okay, to insert header and footer you will click on it, double click on it. Okay, you can insert header here. Okay, and for footer you will go to down, and here you can insert footer. Okay, and the other way to insert header and footer is go to insert, and here is header. Okay, and click on it to insert header, and for footer you can see here you can insert footer. Okay, so this is the method of how to insert header and footer. And next is how to insert page numbers. To insert page numbers you will go to insert, and here is page number, and you can set bottom of the page. Okay, and 1. Okay, this will set the page number, you can see here. Okay, now next is what are the different types of views in MS Word. There are different types of views. First view is, by default view is print layout, and second view is full screen record. Okay, and third is web layout, fourth is outline, and fifth is draft. Okay, so these are the 5 different types of views. Okay, so revise these topics. Okay,